Hi, this is Mr. Panett. I'm the Library Media Specialist, Bristol Central High School, and I've created another tutorial to help you with your research. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a citation for a website using NoodleTools. So, in our previous tutorial, I showed you how to link your NoodleTools account with your Google account so you could have a single sign-in. Once you've done that, from your Google Drive, you can access NoodleTools. To do that, you would go up to the waffle and select Apps. And we're going to get some more apps. And there's NoodleTools. Select NoodleTools. And it opens up NoodleTools for us. You can either open a new project or you can use one that you've already created. We're going to select New Project, so I can show you how to do that. So on the green button, click on New Project. Here you would give your project a title here in this field. MLA is already selected. We're going to be using MLA for this citation, but be aware that there are other citation styles like APA or Chicago Tribune. Our citation level is advanced. We want to use advanced so that we can use all of the features of NoodleTools. So we're now going to submit this after we've completed this little form. And this brings us to the dashboard. There are some things that you might want to know about the dashboard. You can put in a research question here if you want to, thesis statement. This is also where if your teacher wanted you to share your project with her or him, you would do that here. If you were working with another student, you would be able to collaborate with them here. So this is what you could do on the dashboard. We're going to be creating a citation, so we're going to click on Sources. Once you get to Sources, this is where you create your citations. We're going to create a new citation. Once again, we're going to click on that green button, and it brings us to this little place where we have to select what we are citing and what is it. So we've already determined that we're going to be citing a website. You can also choose database. Print or in hand would mean a book or a magazine, perhaps a newspaper. Viewed or heard if you went to a lecture or you interviewed someone. Ebook, and then there's other. There are multiple options for sources, and NoodleTools has a way to cite all of them. So we're going to be selecting website. Once you click on website, you have to determine what type of a website is it. We've determined it's a web page, but you have all these other options to select from. So we're going to go to web page, and whatever you select brings up a form that you need to complete. And depending upon what you selected, it will bring you to the correct form. So this one is for citing a website. You must complete the form. You have to complete as many fields as possible. If you find that you can't find the information on the website, you should probably ask yourself, is this a reliable website? Is this a website I should be using for my research? So let's begin filling in the fields. So most of the information can be copied directly from your website, so you would want to have your website open in another tab on your browser. So the first thing we're going to get from our website is our URL. So we're going to go to our website. Now this website, history.com, makes citing pretty easy. It's got this little feature here that says Cite. So you want to, whenever you go to something that you're researching and it says Cite, click on that because it'll give you something that might make citing it a little bit easier. So most of the information that we need to create the citation is given to us right here. Otherwise, we'd have to go looking for it throughout the website. So here's our URL right here. So we're going to select the URL, paste it. First we have to copy it, then we're going to paste it. Let's go back to our NoodleTools, and where it says URL, this is where we're going to paste it. The next thing we're going to look for is date of publication. We're going to go back to our website. There it is, date of publication. Sometimes it gives you an exact date, sometimes just a year. This tells us how recently this website has been either created or updated. So we're going to select that again, copy it, go back to NoodleTools, and we're going to put in our date of publication. And they're just little drop down bars, and you would fill in the date. Most recent date of access is simply the date that you created the citation. So if we click on today, it would give us today's date. So that's what we're going to do here. Now we're going to be looking for the author, which is also called the contributor. So we're going to go back to the website, and there's our author, Evan Andrews. Once again, we're going to select and copy that, go back to our website, and we are going to, I'm going to make it a little bigger so it's easier to see. Under role, we're going to select author. Depending upon what you find on the website, you would select one of these in the drop-down menu, and we're just going to paste Evan Andrews into the fields, and then we'll go on to the next thing we're going to be looking for, which is the title of the website article. Once again, it's given to us here. If not, you would copy it from wherever the title is given to us. So we're going to copy this, go back to our NoodleTools, and we're going to paste it in the field for web page or document article title. We're not going to worry about English translation. We don't need anything there. If it was untitled, we would select that and describe what the web page was about. The next thing we're looking for is the name of the website and the publisher of the website. So we're going to go back to our website. There's the name, history.com. Go back here, paste it here, and then now we're looking for publisher, which we've already filled in here, but publisher is also given to us here. We copied it, pasted it here. We're not going to worry about editors unless they're given to us. And once looks like we've completed and found everything we needed onto our form, we're going to press the submit button, which there's one located at the top and at the bottom of the page. And there is our completed citation. And we have just cited a website. So I will be creating more tutorials showing you how to cite other sources for your research. And if you have any questions, you can stop by the library, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.